Hey YouTube, and thanks for watching Junkworks Garage. Well, I'm going through my nuts, bolts, and screws and trying to separate some stuff out. And I have a bunch of this stuff and it was full in here. But what I found in trying to separate these out is not only it would take me forever to try and separate these little brass things out from the rest, I checked it, and these are magnetic, the other ones, but the brass ones are not, obviously. But anyhow, I probably will never use these brass things for anything that I can really think of, and the screws are slotted screws. I'm pretty sure it was for an electrical project my dad did at some point, but I don't want to get rid of them. But I also know that I probably will use these little guys here, and so I'm trying to separate them, get the brass ones put back in this little cubby I got from my dad and stuff. So instead of picking through everything, and I know a lot of people are going to already figure this out, but I wanted to make a quick video here while I can. I'm just sticking my magnet in there, and as you can see, you're going to get a few here and there, but for the most part I can separate these real quick, and then I'll be able to put them away where they need to go. There's still some picking and choosing, but a lot less than what I would normally come up with. Looks like all these are pretty well good. Basically, yet again, this will help me get through this a lot quicker, and I will be able to separate things out. Just a little tip and trick. So thanks for watching Junkworks Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.